I'm Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried wontons at home. I absolutely love making fried wontons so then I can dip them in sweet and sour sauce. To get started, you will want to heat your oil to 350 degrees. I like using an oil like canola for frying things like wontons because of its high heating point. Now that my oil's heating, I will get my wontons ready. So you can buy wonton wrappers that come just in squares like this, ready to go. You could put them in the fryer, or you could doctor them up a little bit by filling them with cream cheese. So today I'm going to get one of my wonton wrappers and I'm putting it on my cutting board. Then I'm going to put a little piece of cream cheese right in the center. Sometimes I'll also like to add some green onions or some sliced water chestnuts to add a little bit more flavor, but today I'm just going to do a little piece of cream cheese. So I've got my piece of cream cheese inside the wonton. Then I'm going to get a little bit of water on my fingertips and just wipe it around one of the edges. This is going to help the wonton stick when you fold it over. Okay. Now I'm just going to press the sides together. And now it's ready to put in my fryer. You're going to want this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. This is Mariko showing you how to make fried wontons at home. Enjoy!